Shahid customer service.
Dami din sa range. May silang display. For autumn. Ako'y pang ano na, Halloween.
Nice, isn't it?
So cute.
Cute.
Forever.
Cute. Asa naman to sila? Oh, nice. Oh, wow. Welcome. There you are. They have also natives. Oh, nice, babe, oh. Guwapo, ay. Snails. Ay, cute. Oh, wow.
From opening our first store in 1989 to being one of the fastest growing retailers in the UK. Welcome to the range.
Nice. Cute. Babe, oh. Ceramic, babe.
Yeah, too breakable.
Yeah, that one. $5.99. Oh, ka-nice. Ani diri. Oh, mga flowers. Decorate ka sa iyong balay. Wow. Ready na sila for the Halloween. I like this, Bebo.
Yeah.
Spooky. Oh, this one nice. We will love that one, babe. Oh, $2.99. Yeah, nice. Candies. Nice clouds way. Very nice. But why it's like dark at home? So daghang car nagpa-parking because it's Saturday.
The railway bridge.
There's no train. Accrington Town, babe?
That's
Here?
Accrington Town Centre. Yes.
We never been to the mall, no?
No, not yet.
Have you been there?
Accrington Town Centre?
Yeah?
Yeah, but not for a long time.
Which is bigger?
It's like
Blackburn. Nanami. Let's go Accrington. What building is that?
BT building.
What's BT?
British Telecommunications.
Oh. Oops.
Trim the bushes, don't they?
Yeah. Dili mi sa ilalo. Dili mi sa gawas. We are here. Guys, nag-try mi ani scan na si shop. So, giscan na yung card diri, club card. Tapos, mag-release ning kani. It says, hello Wayne. Nalingaw mi. Wala na ako na video. So, ayan na.
Can't you just scan it at the barcode
I think this one, baby.
and press the handset button?
Yeah, that one. Yeah, that. It says, naignorante niya ni. So, pag mag-total lang siya every time namin i-purchase, i-scan, tapos mag-total lang siya, tapos pag abot sa counter, diretso na siya. I-scan lang po dito sa may scanner and then pay na diretso. Diretso na lang dito sa bag ang grocery. Wow! Amazing! Naignorante mi. Dugay namin nakita ni pero wala nang namo gigamit. Can I go there, baby?
Yes, if you want.
Okay. Bye. Love you. Laag sa ako diri. Dagang nice mo. Kaning F&F naani diha dati sa Briza pero karon wala na, nag-close na. Mga barato lang pero barato ba ni? Mahal man. Pero na sila sale. Nagka-sale sila. I like this, oh. 19. Oh, nice. 32. Edit. Mahal man ilang edit. FNF edit. Oh, wide leg. I like it. Pantalon. Nice. Nasa live sale. May manananta sa ilang sale. Yung mga dress man off shoulder. Oh, nice. Nice. Oh. Dugag sale, oh. Mananaw sa ako, guys, ha.
Do you need lettuce?
Makalingaw man ni lettuce, yeah. Lettuce. The small pack only. Yeah, that one. You choose the combo 6. Good. Kagwapa sa ilang kamatis, eh. I need 2 for 3. I have that tomatoes. Oh, so far, that is our grocery. How much is that, baby?
£16.20.
Nagkuha mi og minced pork. Is that pork?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Oh, we need carrots. Mag-video ta diri kay walay tao. Hawaiian. You don't have? Here, oh. I for cheese.
Barbecue. Oh, I'm pineapple.
Okay. Nalingaw jud ni siya ning iskan no, wala daw dulaan. Hey. Bukan? Don't grab full bed. Yeah, okay. Kapit na napuno yung bag ko. 33 pounds. Ask for assistance.
Before you pay, we just need to do it with. Oh,
I-basket check pa di nila. O dili na tanan, gamay na lang.
No security tag.
no.
Dali na lang.
Oops,
Ay, sorry. Wow, dali na lang kaayo. Oh, saving only 620. So that is very quick.
Thanks for shopping at Tesco.
Yeah, that's very quick. Dali na lang kaayo na. Humanami, pag check lang kadali siya sa unsay naa sa basket, check lang mga pila ka buok. Tapos go na. Very quick, no? Hindi na siya kailangan magpila-pila. Enjoy. Did you enjoy it?
Hmm?
Me too.
I feel like shopping is a whole new experience again now.
Yeah. So, this is only here, no?
No.
It's not in Blackbird.
Yeah.
Wala siya sa Blackburn Tesco. Dinhira sa Accrington. Bye!
Bye, Tesco. I like videoing this one. It's weird. It's very quiet today.
Yeah, very quiet. What is the speed here?
70.
Good morning! Morning, Malang!
Good morning, everybody.
Ay, kagapos akong banana. Good morning! Happy Sabado! Going to Tesco. Grocery me. Kaya mo rin pula na sulod. Very nice weather today, babe.
17 degrees at the moment, but very
Wow.
warm. A warm 17 degrees.
17 is cold. It's not warm. Oh!
That's your friend's
Here
house.
is my friend's house. Hi, Pas!
Not in.
They're not there. Maybe they're in the grocery too. Wow.